The Hawk is a revolutionary new way to chase birds from your valuable crop and keep them away through learned behavior. Wireless cameras placed around your vineyard monitor the fields for bird activity. Video captured by the cameras is sent back to a central base station using sophisticated computer vision and deep learning algorithms to detect, identify, and locate bird flocks. When the system identifies a flock, their location is sent to a small autonomous drone that quickly flies to the flock location, where it can fly any number of pre-programmed flight patterns. The drone can also activate bird repellent devices such as noisemakers and lasers to scare the birds. But in most cases, the buzz of the drone and downdraft is enough to scare the birds. After the drone disperses the flock, it returns to the home base and lands. The Hawk system is cost-effective, easy to install, and can virtually eliminate bird damage in your vineyard. Call AgView today to get more information or schedule a demo of the Hawk.